Arthur Phillip had an ambitious touring itinerary planned for Bennelong and Yemerawani, including an introduction to English society. In preparation, the Eora men were tastefully outfitted by tailors Knox and Wilson in fine frock coats, breeches, waistcoats and cotton underwear, then provided with hats befitting English gentlemen of the day. Despite Arthur Phillip's preparations, his Eora companions were denied an audience with the king. Indeed, they were the first New World envoys not to be dignified by a meeting with the monarch in some 200 years. Furthermore, whilst Bennelong and Yemerawani's presence sparked initial curiosity amongst the press and general public, they were not pursued by the fascinated crowds that shadowed previous exotic visitors from the Americas and the Pacific. If anything, this afforded the Eora visitors a welcome degree of freedom to explore and absorb this foreign land and culture. Bennelong and Yemerawani initially resided in the fashionable London district of Mayfair at the house of William Waterhouse, whose son, Lieutenant Henry Waterhouse, was present when Governor Phillip was speared at Manly Cove in 1790. During their stay, Bennelong and Yemerawani performed a song for their host, sung in their own language, accompanied by the distinctive tick of hardwood clapsticks. The words and music were written down by Waterhouse's neighbour, Edward Jones, who published the song in 1811 under the title Musical Curiosities. Whilst in London, the Wangal clansmen toured impressive monuments, including St Paul's Cathedral and the Tower of London. They visited museums, attended theatre performances, and even took in a criminal trial at the Houses of Parliament. Later, they were relocated outside London in rural Eltham, where they had contact with former British Home Secretary, Lord Sydney, the official who oversaw Governor Phillip's venture to colonise New South Wales.